Avery printable note cards are great for personalized greeting cards, invitations, thank you cards, and more. All of our note cards are made from premium heavyweight cardstock, and each pack includes envelopes. Every sheet is pre-scored for easy folding and micro-perforated for a clean separation from the sheet. Today, we will be designing Avery 8315 note cards for inkjet printers, but the instructions apply to other note cards from Avery. Start designing with Avery Design and Print online at avery.com/templates using your computer, tablet, or mobile device. Type in the Avery product number, which can be found on the front of the pack, and click Start Designing. There are two different template layouts to choose from. We can choose a template for printing either a wide card or a tall card. We'll choose the option to print in a tall orientation by clicking Select this template. This brings us to the Choose Design step, where we can filter the designs using the categories on the left, or choose a blank template to create your own artwork, or just scroll through and select a pre-designed template. We'll select this design to create thank you cards. Now the design appears on the Customize screen. The navigator near the top right allows us to move from one side of the sheet to the other and into the various sections. At the top of the screen, we can see that we are currently on the front and back of the note card, since it is selected at the top. We will start by filling out the front of the card. Then we can delete any additional text boxes we don't want on the template by clicking the outer edge and selecting Delete at the top of the Customize screen. If we wanted to add something to the back, we can just click that side in the navigator. Now we will click on Inside at the top. We are now looking at the left inner flap of the inside of our note card. This is a great place to add images and more text. We will click on the right side of the card in the navigator and replace the placeholder text with our personalized message. This places our message on the right side, which is the typical side for a note card. To see a preview of our card, we will select the Preview and Print button at the top or bottom right of the screen. This takes us to the 3D preview of our card. We can use the slider at the top to open and close the card. This is a great way to check that our message and images are in the right places before printing. We can also rotate the card using the four-headed arrow in the upper right. If we want to view the whole sheet, we can select 2D in the upper right side. Now we're ready to print. It's important to do a test print on plain paper to make sure that our cards will print properly. Watch our two-sided printing video to see how. Follow the printing instructions carefully for the best results. If you have additional questions, contact our care team or visit avery.com/help. Thank you for using genuine Avery products.